Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The midpoints of a line segment joining 2 points A 2, 4 and B minus 2, minus 4 is. Now here we can use midpoint formula where midpoint x, y of line joining x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by x, y equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So using this formula we can easily find out the midpoint. x1 in this case is 2, x2 is minus 2, y1 is 4 and y2 is minus 4. So we get 2 minus 2 by 2, 4 minus 4 by 2. So that is, let's see, 0, 0. Therefore we get x, y equal to 0, 0. So midpoint is origin 0, 0. Answer is option C.